Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to answer just one question, and that is to know where we are in the altcoin season. So let's go ahead and diagnose it. For those of you who don't know me, I am Dr. Sabil Khan. I am a blockchain expert, a business strategist, and an award-winning scientist. So first of all, as an investor, you have to remember two things. The first thing is that as an investor, you should only be concerned about the gains, right, which you make in this market and not get emotionally attached to certain digital assets. The second thing is that as an investor, you must have an exit strategy so that you can take profits. So first of all, you have to remember that people expect and believe and bet their money on that belief, since they don't want to be left out on something that others are leveraging to make money. So even if what they are leveraging is just purely based on a herd mentality and a belief of a lot of people, which is mostly backed by market sentiment, still they are going to invest. So you have to keep in mind that pragmatism and fundamental analysis is not the lens through which the markets are seen or looked at or driven in terms of the evaluation of assets which the market is composed of. But the emotions of greed and fears is actually that lens through which the people look at the markets and invest. Now let's have a look at the altcoin market cap in the past years so that we can get an idea of where we potentially are in the altcoin season. So this is the top of the market cap of the altcoins in the previous bull market. And this is the top of the altcoin market cap in the market cycle before that. So here it was 142 million US dollars, and we crossed that in around the first week of March. And then it triggered the huge altcoin season, as we can see over here. And we reached the top over here, which was around 550 million US dollars. And that was the top, as I said, of the previous bull market where the altcoin market cap topped. And since then, we dipped right down to around 36.93 billion US dollars, which is very low. And this is where most of the altcoins like Icon, it went from $10 all the way down to like 0.2 or 0.3 cents. This was the accumulation zone, actually to 10 cents. Same story with Neo, right? It went like 90% down. Here is the accumulation zone. Same goes with EOS. It went all the way up to $18, and then we can see that it went to $2 again, $3, $2, around that. So that was the accumulation zone. So in the altcoin seasons, the altcoins can go up astronomically, and then they go down in the blink of an eye, and they lose 90% of their value. So that is very important to remember, right? It is very risky, and you must eject and take profits at the right time. And due to the fact that there was like 3.78x increase in the market cap from the previous top to the top of the altcoin market cap in the previous market cycle, we can actually pretty much see, even conservatively, a market cap of 1.5 to 2 trillion US dollars in this bull market. Of course, the past performance does not guarantee the same performance this time, but the thing to remember over here is that right now the institutions are getting involved and they are in it for the long run. So Tesla recently bought 1.5 billion US dollars of Bitcoin at a price of between 30 and 40,000 US dollars. So it simply means that they are not going to sell anytime soon, and the supply goes off the market. So then what happens as a consequence? The price has to go up to compensate for that supply, right? And the hype is also created, which further fuels the price up. So now we have looked at the charts. Just to put things into perspective, we have looked at the tops of the previous altcoin seasons also in terms of the market caps of the altcoins. And now the main important thing which you have to remember is that in a market, the price of the assets go up when more money flows in. So now we are going to look at the 6 key reasons which will bring more money into the altcoins and also the Bitcoin and Ethereum. I hope that this video has given you some value. If you liked the video, please subscribe to this channel and also click the notifications bell so that you can get the notifications of the upcoming videos as they are released. So the first point is thousands of people are waiting for the access to centralized exchanges like Binance, Huobi, etc. They want to get in, but they cannot. The second thing is the ETPs or exchange traded products of coins like Polkadot just hit the market. It gives the access to millions of people over 45 years to access the crypto market in a very convenient way through brokerage. The third thing is that this time many ETFs are already there and more are coming in, giving access to a lot of institutions and people to this asset class. And the fourth and one of the most important point is that companies like Tesla are making BTC a part of their portfolio. Do you think that if Tesla bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin at a price between $30,000 and $40,000, will it not profit from it immensely? Of course it will. And it is in it for the long run, so they are not going to sell anytime soon. So they have bought Bitcoins and many other companies will follow soon, and this will shrink the supply of Bitcoin in the market, pushing the prices up. The fifth important point is that also fundamentally the Ethereum layer 2 solutions like Polygon, previously called Matic network, and third generation blockchains like kardiachain, Polkadot and Icon are already operating and creating a real adoption in real world use cases and across different industry verticals. And when these things come to the news, it creates hype and it definitely catches the interest of more people who then invest in this asset class. And the sixth important point is that with Tesla, many other Fortune 500 companies will follow and buy Bitcoin or Ethereum, making supply smaller and pushing the price further up. So from these 6 points, we conclude that the institutional money and money sitting in the Fortune 500 companies, which is in trillions, then the money sitting in the saving accounts of many people over 45 years of age, and this money is again in trillions, will be injected into the crypto market, which will take the prices of altcoins up astronomically. Also, you have to look at crypto market and think that it acts like a hierarchical marketing tool for itself. So in that case, the top 10 market cap coins do the promotion when a bull run starts. And as we have seen in the previous bull markets, Bitcoin is the coin which always takes the lead and the rest follow. You have to remember that in the cryptocurrency market, the price is the biggest promotion, and then media attention, which comes as a consequence of that. And it is followed by more news as they come along, and then it gets into a snowball effect. So all these things cause enormous FOMO, and this is the first cycle where we are witnessing the interest of institutions taking practical form. I mean, the institutions are really investing in cryptocurrencies, and Fortune 500 companies are actually interested in cryptocurrencies, and there are products available to retail investors also who were previously reluctant to just simply configure their hardware wallet or go to the exchanges and go through all the hassle and so on. So what do we conclude from all of our discussion so far? So we are in the beginning of altcoin cycle where coins like Icon are still 5x below the price that they were at the peak of the previous bull run, as I have already shown you in the beginning of the video. Same goes for Neo and same goes for many other altcoins. So we can definitely see an altcoin boom in the coming months where many altcoins will give 20x to 50x gains, and some of them will appear out of nowhere due to a viral video or some sudden hype, and they will potentially not even be seen in the next bull run, meaning they will vanish into the crypto abyss and never ever make it to the top 100 list or the top 200 list in the coin market cap. So there are some key lessons which we can learn from our discussion today. We should always take profits, we should always manage risk, we should not overinvest, and we should not get delusional with dopamine overdrive. And we should always remember that whatever goes up always comes down. So we should always take profits and look at the broader picture of the market cycles also, so that we can eject when the euphoria of the bull market is at its extreme and everyone just becomes a financial advisor who will tell you to invest in cryptocurrencies. I hope that this video has given you some value. If you liked the video, please subscribe to this channel and also click the notifications bell so that you can get the notifications of the upcoming videos as they are released. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.